Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my giveaway profits review, demo and $3,375 bonus. Now, what it is, it's a brand new product released by Glynn Kosky, and Glynn actually gives you the rights to give away 2 of his top selling products for free, so I can build your list and so people can enter a funnel where you are getting paid for every single upsell after the initial giveaway. Okay, so obviously if you're giving something away for free, then people feel like reciprocating, so that's why they are buying through your link. And it's a very cool way if you're just starting out, because you don't have to sell anything, you just have to give something away for free, and then Glynn and the team takes over and they do the selling, so you don't have to worry about selling, you just have to worry about traffic and just sending traffic to the giveaway. Super easy, you can make tons of cash this way and it's all automated for you. So guys, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this giveaway profits review. Now, even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to show you some examples of Fiverr gigs. This is how much you would have to pay for creating a giveaway like you're gonna get with giveaway profits. Okay, so you would need a squeeze page, and as you can see, you would have to pay anywhere from $15 to $20 on Fiverr for a squeeze page. So you can do all of this research yourself, but essentially that's what you would have to pay. And you would also have to pay someone to create a funnel for you, and a funnel can cost anywhere from $25 to $50, sometimes even in the hundreds. Okay, so just keep in mind you are getting giveaway profits for around $20, which is just crazy because this is the price of a sales page. Okay, so I always like to do these comparisons, and right now let's check out the sales page. And as you can see, it says urgent warning, 100% done for you giveaway profit system, 0 paid ads or email marketing required. How we earn over $500 plus from every person we give a free gift to, and build a huge email list of hungry buyers at the same time. 100% done for you system, automated with brand new cloud-based app. Now you can check out the sales video right here. Obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. I'm just going to hit on some key points. So obviously these guys have some massive proof behind it in the thousands of dollars, some testimonials right here. Essentially they're talking about giveaway works because every single person out there wants something for free, and once you give them something for free, they feel like reciprocate if they have an offer in front of them and it makes sense. Some more testimonials here. Again, giveaway profits, that's the name of this product, and this is my giveaway profits review. Let's scroll down here, and again, you can go through all of this in your own time if you want to. These guys will have some bonuses. As you can see, free bonuses mentioned on the sales page. You're gonna get my bonuses worth well over $3,000. On top of all this, 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. And as you can see, $17.97, that's the price of this product. But keep in mind, this is the early bird price. We'll talk about pricing in a second. And right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. Now you're getting a bunch of things, and obviously a video training is included. So actually, let me show you the video training first, because obviously you're gonna get traffic training. You will be creating these giveaways, and then all you need to do is just send traffic to them, and traffic training is included with this. So you're gonna get some daily tips on using giveaway profits. Very cool. So we have the overview video, we have how to set up done for you campaigns. You can hook up your autoresponder if you want to. You can create your own opt-in campaigns. You can create your social images, and actually an image creator is included with this. How to use the conversion boosting tools, that's for the upgrades, the bonus builder, traffic strategies, more traffic videos, free traffic right here, and you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel for more video tutorials. So all of this training is included, and let's go back to the dashboard right here and let me show you all of the options. Now I'm going to have a separate demo on exactly how to set up campaigns and everything else. Right now I'm just going to show you all of the features. Okay, so first of all, my profile. Right now you can see your membership type, your first name, last name, your email, etc. So you can access all of this right here. Then we have autoresponders. Okay, so obviously you can hook up your autoresponder to this. You can hook up SendLane, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, ConvertKit. Now you don't have to do it, but obviously you want to be building an email list, because once you have an email list, you can just email your list with any promotion and just create traffic on demand, and you can send it anywhere you want, obviously. Okay, Then we have the done for you funnels. Okay, so you're getting free done for you funnels included with this, and that's for actual product. These products are actually on sale and you can give them away for free. So these products are in demand, something that people actually paid for, and you will be the person to give them away for free. So just massive value. Okay, so you're getting the funnel for commission funnels, for freebie commissions, and for $300 CPA every day. Okay, so as you can see, we have the opt-in page right here. All you have to do is just add your affiliate link to the funnel and then start sending traffic to this opt-in page. Okay, so you can share it right here on Twitter, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and on Pinterest. So you're gonna start getting some traffic immediately to this. And again, the traffic strategies are included with the training, the video training. Okay, let me just show an example of an opt-in page. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, beautiful, amazingly well designed, and this is something that actually converts. So you know, there are a ton of squeeze pages out there that you can use, but they are not converting. So let's say you're gonna send 100 people to it, only maybe 20 to 30 people will actually opt in. This converts at 50 to 80%. Okay, so as you can see, it looks amazing. You know, it has the warning right here. So you know, all the colors are right, you know, red and yellow. So people are actually taking action on this. And again, who doesn't want to get a free piece of software, right? So this is how people opt in. That's your only job. Okay, so your only job is to get people to opt in on this page, and then Glynn and the sales teams will take over and they will do the selling, and you're getting paid on all of the upsells people will be picking up after they opt in. Okay, so as you can see, again, free done for you funnels, you can start generating traffic right here. Then we have affiliate info right here. So essentially you can use the same funnels to promote any other affiliate marketing product. Okay, so again, we have the info right here. So we have the get affiliate link if you want to get your affiliate link for one of these free products, and you also can create a new campaign from scratch. Okay, so again, you can start promoting any product with these squeeze pages and funnels. You can just add your affiliate link to them. As you can see, we also have the Warrior Plus database right here. So all the information is right here. You don't have to open a separate tab and, you know, go for Warrior Plus. Everything is done from within the software. So the Warrior Plus hookup is right here. So everything I just showed you is included in the main product, and you can actually access all of the upsells right here from within the software. So you have additional done for you funnels, you have unlimited version, you have auto traffic flow, you have conversion tools, and a bonus page builder, and also a resellers. Now we will talk about all of the upsells in a second, but you also get social images, which means that you can actually create social images. That's how you get traffic from within the software. So you're actually getting two pieces of software for the price of one. So as you can see, you have the name, the thumbnail, the download, created, uploaded, and right here you can preview it, edit it, and delete it, or you can just create a new image from scratch. You have the name, you have the width and height. You know, you can create these social media images instantly and just use them on social media to get traffic instantly. So again, this is just an additional piece of software within this product for creating images, and obviously you can use it for these funnels or anything else. Now let's check out all the upsells and let's go through the pricing. So as you can see, the early bird price will be $17.97, and that's between 9 a.m. Eastern and 3 p.m. and this is on the 4th of February when it goes live. Okay, then the price will be going up to $19.97, and then on day 2 $29.97. So if you want to grab it for the lowest possible price, $17.97, make sure to show up early at 9 a.m. Eastern when it goes live. Now we have a bunch of OTOs, 6 OTOs in total. Let me just show you the pricing first, and then we will see exactly all the details. Okay, so OTO number 1 is the unlimited version, $97. OTO number 2, additional done for you funnels, $97. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow, $97. OTO number 4, conversion boosting tools, $67. OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67. And OTO number 6, license rights for $197. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review for you ready on my blog, so you can check it all out, and that will include all of the funnel info. Okay, and by the way, let me just mention, if you will decide to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, that's the first link in the description. and I'm going to show you all of my bonuses in a second. But again, let's go through all of the upsells. Giveaway profits, OTO number 1, unlimited version. And this allows you to create unlimited funnels, unlimited giveaways, unlimited landing pages. You get more landing pages, templates, graphics, banner ad creator, and you'll be able to take massive action. So you'll be fine with the main product alone. If you want to see how it works, get some sales in, but if you want to take massive action and do unlimited giveaways, that's OTO number 1. OTO number 2 we got done for you, so additional giveaway funnels. So I showed you you're getting free done for you funnels with the main product. You're getting additional I believe 5 or 8 with the OTO number 2, $97. Okay, OTO number 3 we have automated traffic flow, and in this upgrade you're getting a powerful traffic generator, and this will assure that you're going to get high quality traffic to your offers, pages, landing pages, and you don't have to create any Facebook ad campaigns, email marketing, or use Google traffic. Okay, so that's if you need more traffic. OTO number 4 is $67, and it is called conversion boosting tools. So this upgrade will actually unlock a bunch of very cool features like hello bars, pop-up bars, banners. Essentially all of these are boosting your conversions. Okay, this will include exit pop-ups as well, and a bunch of additional features. Okay, that's OTO number 4. Number 5 we got bonus page creator, $67. So as you can see, you can create squeeze pages and full funnels, but if you want to also create bonus pages for affiliate marketing promotions, that's an additional feature, $67. And the last OTO is $197 license rights, which allows you to sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. Okay, so not only the main product, all 6 products in the funnel. And right now let me show you all of my bonuses. Let me just mention that OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone, but obviously if you want to make your life a little bit easier or get additional done for you funnels or anything from the OTOs, you can definitely pick one of these up. Now again, giveaway profits will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on February the 4th. Make sure to pick it up through my link to get all of these bonuses I'm going to mention to you right now. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses with full PRL right license, which means that you can use these with Glynn's funnels and just create additional done-for-you funnels for yourself. Okay, so these are custom made especially for this promotion, and again, you are getting a full PLR license to all free. Okay, so you can do whatever you want with these. You can give them away for free, put your name on them, rebrand them, sell them for any price you want, totally up to you. Okay, so free custom made bonuses. You're also going to get some additional software products. Software number 1 is Affiliate Warrior. Software number 2 is Affiliate Promo Machine. Software number 3, Extreme Affiliate Page. I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to my own products, 3 of my own products: Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. That bonus alone is worth $500. Okay, you're also going to get Affiliate Traffic Lab, which is Glynn's software for affiliate marketers. I'm also going to give you 5 done for you campaigns. Okay, so these are affiliate marketing campaigns, and I normally sell this as an OTO to my own products. You're also going to get a bunch of W's of the Day awarded products: $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, 2000 CPA traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video, the viral quick, affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, and slide share tips videos. And I'm also going to give you 9 additional plugins and software: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin with sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, true text, IS, popbox, sales bar, and short code call to action. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means you're gonna get a total of $3,375 worth of bonuses for free. Again, just as a thank you for picking up giveaway profits from my link. And to pick it up from my link, Again, click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, that's the first link in the description. The second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, as always, guys, I have a full written review for you, so you can check this out as well on my blog. And I have a little sum up right here. So just to sum up this giveaway profits review, this is an exclusive giveaway system. It gets you paid by giving away done for you products for free, okay? Multiple income streams, so you're going to be profiting by giving away premium products for free, and you're going to build your list at the same time. 100% free viral traffic included to build your freebie system. All the video training is included as I showed you. Zero maintenance costs, so you don't need a website for this. Everything is hosted by these guys. Completely beginner friendly, zero tech skills, and proven results. Glynn actually tested this system, and it generates leads and it generates profits, and it works in as little as 30 minutes. So guys, before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus after picking giveaway profits from my link. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to your Warrior Plus purchase history, click on your icon on the top right corner right here, go to purchase history, and then you should see giveaway profits as one of these products right here. Now, after clicking on the giveaway profits icon, you should see a separate page saying access my purchase, and below that you should see another button saying bonuses from art. So this is how to claim my bonus. It's all done automatically, so you don't have to send me emails or any receipts. Again, this is done automatically, and I really like this product because you don't have to sell anything. All you have to do is just give away a product for free, a product that is actually selling for like $27 at the moment. And as you can see, just comparing the price of giveaway profits, $17.97 to a Fiverr gig that you would have to pay for to create these squeeze pages and funnels. It just makes all the sense in the world, especially with the early bird price. So make sure to show up early. Again, the 4th of February, 9 AM Eastern. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment in the comment section of this YouTube video. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.